Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet flower square. This is a very simple and beautiful project for new crocheters. For this pattern I am using 3 color of cotton thread and one 4 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First I am making the center part of the square. Make one slip knot and make 4 chain and go to the 4th chain from your hook and make 1 double crochet. You make 12 double crochet in this stitch. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and last one 12. And then here you go to the 3rd chain. This is the first 3 chain. Here you join it with your work with slip stitch and then make 1 2 3 4 5 chain and go to the very first stitch and make 1 double crochet, then 2 chain, go to the next stitch and make 1 DC, then 2 chain. In this round I am making 1 DC, 2 chain, 1 DC, 1 DC, 2 chain and go to the next stitch and make 1 DC, then 2 chain, go to the next stitch and make 1 DC, sorry, and this is here you join it with slip stitch and then cut your yarn and join the another color yarn or thread. You attach your thread in the space between 2 DC stitch. Here I am joining it with slip stitch and make 1 2 3 chain, count as a first DC. Here I am making the clusters. Wrap your yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the same space, pull through yarn and make it 2 and then you repeat same things. Make it 1 and then 2 chain and then go to the next space and make clusters. then 2 chain and go to the next stitch, next space, and make cluster stitch. You repeat same pattern in this round. I have completed my third round and join it with slip stitch in the beginning chain, and then you join your another color thread in the space between the two clusters, and here you make one slip stitch, then 2 3 chain, counter J, first double crochet, and make 2 more double crochet in the same space, 2 chain, 3 double crochet in the same space. This is the corner of the square, and then you skip the next 3 stitches, and next this is the first cluster, and go to the next space between two clusters. Here you make 3 half DC, and then go to the next space, make 3 half DC, and then you go to the next space. Here you make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and 3 double crochet in the same space. This one is the second corner of the square, and then go to the next space, make 3 half DC, and then next 3 half DC, and then you make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet in the same space, and you repeat same pattern in this round. Here you join it with slip stitch in your third chain, and then start from the 1 chain, counter J, first single crochet, and make 1 single crochet into the every stitch, and this is the space area between the 3D stitch. Here you make 3DC stitch, here you make 3 single crochet, then 1 single crochet into the next 11 stitches. And this is the space between 3 DC stitch. Here you make 3 single crochet in the same space, and then you make 1 single crochet into the next 11 stitches. You repeat this stitch in this round. I have finished my crochet flower square. This is very unique pattern. You can try it, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.